kusina ni Aunty Ging. So, ngayong araw na to, tayo ay magluluto ng hard-boiled egg. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng nilagang itlog gamit ang 1/4 toaster Saladmaster cookware. Okay? Umpisa na natin. So, it should be medium to low heat. So, basahin natin ng paper towel. Okay. Hindi tayo dito maglalagay ng tubig na katulad ng kung paano tayo maglaga ng ordinary cookware. So, dito pwedeng magkasya ang 7 itlog. So, but this time, I'll gagamit muna ako ng 3 itlog. Okay? And then, we can put a little bit of water, like 1 tablespoon of water. Okay? So, pag-start ng clicking, we could set our timer into like 7 to 8 minutes, and then our egg is ready. And now, nag-start na siya ng clicking. So, we could put the heat into low, and then you should wait it into 7 to 8 minutes. So we have 2 minutes left, and our temperature is low heat. Okay, so almost done. Okay, so our timer is turned off. So ngayon, papatayin na po natin yung ating temperature, heat, and then hayaan muna natin siya dito ng almost like 2 minutes bago natin titingnan kung perfect ang pagkaluto ng ating hard-boiled egg. Okay? So, titingnan na natin kung perfect ang ating pagkaluto ng ating nilagang itlog gamit ang ating 1/4 toaster Saladmaster. Oh! See, hindi tayo dito naglagay ng maraming tubig. Naglagay lang tayo ng almost 1 tablespoon of water at binasa lang natin yung paper towel. Let's see. Try. Wow! Perfect! You see, ito ang magandang pagkaluto ng hard-boiled egg. Yung hindi siya nangingitim dito sa in-between ng white and yellow ng eggs. Perfect! So, well done. Okay? So, yun ang ating perfect hard-boiled egg gamit ang ating 1/4 toaster Saladmaster. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Kusina ni Aunty Ging. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!